As you can see here, what I have is some of these aggregations that I'm talking about. Chargeback by application, where I have different applications defined like SAP, Exchange, or a CRM application, or perhaps maybe we can do it by a line of business such as finance or e-commerce. So ultimately behind this pie chart is a bunch of infrastructure that's associated with it. The costs are handled via the idea of a tier of storage. So let me just kind of quickly show you how we calculate the cost of storage here. So here I've defined a number of tiers of storage, and I've associated a cost per gig. As I drill into this particular cost of storage, I can see that there's different criteria behind it. So here we have a drive speed of 10,000 RPMs. We see that we have a BCV defined as a particular RAID type, and the fact that this particular platinum level of storage is not been provisioned. So we can really define the criteria of a tier based upon a number of different attributes, such as a particular array serial number, a drive type, or whether it's replicated or not, and ultimately tie a cost per gig for that particular storage. On the back end of our database, since we know where these LUNs are allocated to, we can quickly calculate and aggregate the application and the total cost for that particular application and the host behind it. So if I click here, we're going to basically get a list of the different hosts that are using this bronze level capacity and how much cost we have for that particular LUN level. Now this can be done for the data protection side as well. So in addition to just calculating the cost of capacity in your chargeback strategy, we can also take into account the the volume of backup data for a particular application, the number of tapes that are used, the retention periods. There's just a number of different considerations that we can incorporate into this.